So.
A day after NPP comprehensively won the Gambegre by-election, Tura MP and senior Congress leader Saleng has vowed that the Congress party will bounce back, thanking the voters of the constituency for exercising their right to franchise in large numbers. Sangma said that a mere loss in by-election is not the end of the road for the Congress party. Stating that people tend to vote for ruling in by-election, Sangma said that there was misuse of government machinery by the ruling party. He also said that the people have not lost their faith in the grand old party.
Want to thank the people from the Gambegre for being with me for all these years, though I could not satisfy and complete whatever desire that they had been there. But I really tried my best to give. Though Congress might not have been in the power, but yet people trusted us, and then they have voted a very large number, and I would like to thank all those people who have voted. So this is the beginning of our party to take the step forward, and then we've got a team, and then we will be having a meeting with our teams, and then we will see what will be the solution for the future. So we are not losing faith with the people right now. People have faith on us, so definitely we will be trying harder in the next election.
An awareness campaign aimed at eliminating